¿Qué onda, Spanish students? Welcome to our Pura Buena Onda YouTube channel. My name is Paola, and today let's talk about the uses of the verb faltar. Faltar can simply be translated to lack, as in the example, te falta experiencia. You lack experience. Faltar is also commonly used to express when something or someone is missing. For example, falta algo para la receta de galletas de la abuela. Is there anything missing for grandma's cookie recipe? It can also be used as in to be left or to have left. For example, faltan 2 semanas para Navidad. There are 2 weeks left until Christmas. Or me faltan 2 párrafos para terminar el ensayo. I have 2 paragraphs left to finish the essay. It can also be used to miss an event. For example, falté a clase porque estaba enferma. I missed class because I was sick. Gracias por vernos. Remember to follow us on our other social media so you don't miss any of our content on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And also subscribe and leave on the comment any examples that come up to your mind. Hasta luego!